Is the content on your website helping you sell more, or is it just driving people away? If you need to increase sales on your site without spending a ton of money on ads, then a great place to start is by improving your copywriting. In fact, effective, well-researched copy can double or even triple your sales. More on that a bit later. In this video, I'll break down some proven copywriting best practices. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to start composing words that compel your customers to spend more time on your website and take action. Let's get right into it. You might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but what exactly is copywriting? Simply put, copywriting is writing that sells. It's a style of writing that persuades someone to take action. Great copywriting is clear, easy to understand, and customer-focused. It addresses your client's deeper needs, and it explains how your products and services can make their lives better. In other words, even though copywriting is written with the intention to get a sale, it's never really salesy or gimmicky. Instead, it actually explains how your products and services solve a real problem or meet a real need. And it results in a sale because it shows that you took the time to understand what your client is truly looking for. Sounds easy enough, right? Well, it can be, but there's a few things you need to know first in order to up your copywriting game. But before we dive into copywriting tips, let's talk about where you can find copywriting on your website. The simple answer, wherever there is text on your website, there is copy. Every headline, every product description, and every page is an opportunity for you to apply the techniques of great copywriting. The most successful e-commerce brands, they know this, and they make every single word count. As an online retailer, you don't have the advantage of standing face-to-face with your potential buyers, or even to guide them to your products. This means your copywriting becomes kind of like the digital salesperson that leads your visitors to products or services that they need. It has to welcome them in, show off your products, answer their questions, and close the sale. Now, talented copywriters, they take this one step further. They don't just guide customers around the site, hoping they're bringing your visitor to the right products or services. They take the time to get to know the customer. Or in other words, they do the research. When we buy something, need is not our only motivator. Gary Bencivenga, one of the world's greatest copywriters, once said this: the vast majority of products are sold because of the need for love, the fear of shame, the pride of achievement, the drive for recognition, the urge to look attractive, the need to feel secure, and so on. Emotions are the fire of human motivation. And when you're marketing, harness those forces correctly. You will generate explosive increase in response. Good copywriters get to know and understand the true motivators of their customers. They use words to kind of paint a picture of how their product is helping them meet those deeper psychological needs. To figure this out, start with customer research. Ask yourself, what questions are most commonly asked? What frustrations are vocalized most often? What pains do visitors arrive at my site looking to solve? What benefits do visitors arrive at my site looking to gain? What objections to buying do visitors have? How do I address those questions and objections successfully when I encounter them? Organize your copywriting research with this free template that I've linked in the description below. So, how do you apply the dark magic of copywriting to your website? How can you harness the power of words to work in your favor? Here are 5 quick tips that can help you out. Number 1, replicate your customer's tone of voice. If you want your copy to resonate with your clients, then you should do your best to sound like them. When your target customer lands on your website, you want them to think, wow, this brand totally gets me. So what's an easy way to be more relatable? Well, you can start by learning how the demographic speaks, and then create your copy to match their tone. Speak your client's language. And if you're wondering, well, how will I know what they say or what they would say? Again, this boils down to your research. Look at product reviews on your website or your competitor's website. Find out where your customers hang out online. Join them. Conduct customer interviews. Send out surveys. Analyze the data. And then look for patterns. What words are you seeing again and again? How does this demographic interact and express their anger, frustration, excitement? Would they congratulate their friend by saying, "I'm so proud of you"? Or would they say, "Yes, queen"? Trust builds confidence, and confidence helps sales. People trust their friends, so do everything you can to make your words sound relatable. Number 2, sell the benefits, not the features. Don't bore people with the features of your products. As we mentioned above, people don't only buy things out of need. A mom isn't purchasing a camera because of its superior optics. She's buying it because she wants to capture those timeless moments of her children. Ask yourself, what job are people hiring my product for? Now, of course, features are important, but they should always be backed by a benefit. So if you're selling cameras to moms, the feature could be fast shutter speeds, but the benefit is capture every step in full focus. Number 3, easy on the adjectives. When it comes to adjectives, less is more. Adjectives are great ways to explain how something looks or how something makes us feel, but we don't want to go too crazy with them. Take this sentence, for example. A smooth, rich coffee with unique Arabica notes that will energize and motivate your morning. As you can see, too many adjectives can slow down your reader and even confuse them. Instead, why not say, energize your Monday with a smooth Arabica coffee. Number 4, tell stories. Our brains are wired to think in stories. They engage us in a way that facts just never could. When we hear a story, we immediately fill our mind with visuals of what we imagine those people and places to be like. Facts, on the other hand, they rarely incite imagination or inspire us. While they do increase credibility, they're not persuasive. If we were to liken this to people, stories are like Michael Jackson. They entertain us and make us want to dance. Facts are like your grade 11 math teacher. Sorry, Miss Morris. They're true, but they're pretty boring. So if you want your client to forget they're being sold to, try telling them a story instead of listing a bunch of facts. Helping someone visualize your product in their life is one of the great skills of copywriting. Number 5, replace cliché expression with numbers. How many times have you read things like the global leaders in manufacturing or Canada's leading manufacturers of sunglasses? What exactly do words like leading or best mean? Instead of using vague words that sound more like fluffy fillers, try quantifying what you're saying. For example, manufacturing sunglasses for 5,000 suppliers in Canada. That gives the reader a clearer picture of your market share. They'll start to imagine 5,000 shops lined up beside each other and think, wow, that's a lot of business. As you can see, the art of copywriting really lies in how well you understand the needs of your target audience, and then how clearly you can articulate the solution that you're offering to them. I challenge you to take a look at your website today and read through your copywriting. Ask yourself, what am I doing well and what can I do better? If you're looking to create an e-commerce website, look no further than Shopify. It's backed by powerful tools that can help you find customers, drive sales, and manage your day-to-day. Try Shopify for free and explore all the tools and services that you need to start, run, and grow your business. No credit cards required to test it out, so you can make sure that it's the right fit before you commit. Click the link in our description box below to start your free trial. With the tips we've just covered in this video, you'll be able to easily identify gaps in your copy and start to deliver that persuasive punch that will result in customers spending more time on your site and hitting that buy button. For more copywriting tips, click the resources in the link below. If you gained some valuable insights from this video, be sure to hit that like button. That helps our community to grow. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more useful content. I'm your content creator, Daniel Lewis, and I'll see you next time.